Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a really nice way, a variation, how to make a really delicious porridge. There are endless possibilities to experiment with your porridge actually, and I think I don't have to count all the benefits that porridge has. One of them is it's super healthy, and the second one is that it's really easy and really quick to make. We will be doing today a really interesting variation, really interesting way. There are actually two main ways how to cook your porridge. First one is to make it in the microwave. How I do it, it's really easy and really fast because you just need like boiled water and 1 minute of microwave time. The other one is a bit longer, but the result is the same. So the second one is to cook it in a pot very normally. But the ingredients that we will use today are really nice. For one, I have some mango. You can use fresh mango or frozen mango. Then we will of course use oats. Then some vanilla extract, some cacao powder if you want. Of course, this is all optional. And I also use some coconut chocolate cream. I really like it. Maybe your drugstore has this, or it's also in these organic markets. You can also find them there for sure. And then the really cool component is a little cup of espresso, and you can make it as strong as you want. You can also add a normal cup of coffee if you want the coffee flavor even more intensified in your porridge. It's really awesome, and the first time I told it to a friend, they were like really astonished by this weird combination of coffee, cacao and mango and porridge all in one meal. And actually it's a really awesome way to pop up your porridge if it's like a boring meal to you, because porridge doesn't have to be boring, not at all actually. And you can even try out putting in not just like milk or substitute milk, but also like green tea or black tea. It's really awesome to try. I have tried out black tea and green tea out myself already, and the result is really amazing. So I don't think that you will regret trying it out. So be experimental here, and okay, let's go. Let's do the porridge. So look at my beautiful bowl. I'm adding, you can add like, I don't know, 100 grams of oats if you want. I'm adding approximately 50 grams. Not that hungry. So then comes the boiled water. I'm just taking as much as you see. It covers all of the oats. Then I'm adding a little bit of vanilla extract, just a little bit. Doesn't have to be much. You don't even have to add it if you don't want the taste. So then I'm adding some cardamom seeds. I really love them. You can also add cardamom powdered. Oh, I can smell the vanilla, it's so good. And I really love cardamom. Just a little bit. Then we're adding some mango cubes. You can also add fresh mango, of course, or dried mango, just what you like best. Then brew a little cup of espresso and add it to the porridge. You don't have to mix it at all, but you see it has such a nice caramel brownie color. And if you want, you don't have to, but I love coffee together with cacao, so I'm adding bit of cacao powder. You can also add cacao nibs if you like this crunchiness, or if you even have them. I don't. And then you just put everything into the microwave for 1 minute. So this is how it looks like after 1 minute. You can add some more mango if you want, and then enjoy!